Welcome back to Richly Small, where we take a look at tiny living in a richly fulfilling way. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Caravel by Airstream.
If you are looking for a travel trailer that combines style, comfort, and convenience, you might want to consider the Caravel by Airstream. This is a line of lightweight, single-axle trailers that can be towed by most SUVs and offer a range of features and floor plans to suit your needs. The Caravel was first introduced in 1956 as a nimble and elegant option for adventurous travelers. The name comes from a type of sailing ship that was good at sailing windward. The modern Caravel pays homage to this history and invites you to explore new horizons with ease. Some of the benefits of the Caravel include a sleek and aerodynamic aluminum shell that reduces drag and improves fuel efficiency, a spacious and upscale interior with panoramic windows, ultraleather registered seating, and bold black fixtures, a fully equipped galley with a stainless steel gas stove, a Baraldi vent, a Moen registered faucet, and a rectangular stainless sink. A cozy and comfortable sleeping area with a memory foam mattress, blackout curtains, and ample storage. A convenient and functional bathroom with a porcelain toilet, a shower with a seat, and a retractable clothesline. A smart and reliable system with QuietStream trademark air conditioning.